Guys, today I'm showing how to clean engine on a 2006 Hyundai Elantra, and I'm gonna clean it without the cover. With the cover it's much easier, but because there's a lot of oil from filling it up from here, so I want to clean all this up also. Just be very generous on a degreaser. I also like to cover my alternator. And stay away from the coil area, but I'm gonna dry it up when I'm done. You can let it air dry, but I use an air blower. So whenever I have like a coil pack, I clean here between the lug and this pop plug table, just in case some water went in, so you don't see any arcing. I like to finish up with this on the black parts. So now I just let it sit, let the belt dry up. These may make noise just in the first 5 minutes and then it will go away. That's about it. Thanks.